guys, welcome back to Tutorial Design, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a Valentine photo. So first of all, you are going to upload you are going to open PicsArt application. This application you can get it on Google Play Store. So you're going to add here a photo that you want to use as a background. And now in this case, this one is my background photo. So this one is my background photo. So what I'm gonna do now is scroll until to this draw. Now draw like that. Now what you're going to do, you're going to create a new layer which is already there. Now you tap the plus button here to add a photo like that. You import the photo you want. Now this is the photo that I want. So after I have imported, now I'm going to resize until I see the size that I want. So for it to become realistic, I have to be to make sure that I adjust it to become a bit smaller. So like that. Okay, now again I'm going to add a new layer. So I'll come here and tap there, come here at the top here, plus the empty layer, plus like that. Now again I'm going to add to draw something like a background on this photo. So I'll be drawing to draw and use this one. Okay, so I'm going to draw something like that there. Okay, like that. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust the opacity of this layer like that. So now I'm going to move this layer to back like that. So now it will look like that. So what I want it to look like a bit shadow. So I'm going to erase a bit. Okay, so now that is it. So what I'm going to do again, so I can merge these two to be one. I'm going to merge these. Sorry, I'm going to merge. So what I'm also going to do is now I'm going to add another new layer, empty layer like that. So I'm going to import the flower. This is the flower that I'm going to use. So I'm going to adjust like that. So come here to transform. Okay. So I'm going to resize it a bit smaller. Okay, like that. So what else I'm going to do now? Again, I'm going to merge the two like that. Okay, now I'm going to add another photo, so which means I'm going to add a new layer, empty layer, like that. Then come here, tap a photo that I want, which is this one. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust to resize it. So like that. Now the thing I'm going to do, so now that is it. So again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new layer, empty layer. So come and add some, I'm going to add these PNGs, flowers here, petals. Okay. Again, I'm going to rub So we are opening the Lightroom. Now we are coming to color grade. So I'm going to reduce exposure. Reduce shadow to -20. White, I'm going to increase. And black, I'm going to reduce. Now color temperature, I'm going to add some little saturation. Come to mix, I'm going to mix some colors. So again, I'm going to come near the effects. So I'm going to add video net. I'm going to reduce. I'm going to add some clarity. And now let's do before and now. That's how it is. So you can save to your device. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you are new in this channel,